Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, igboticnono. Okay, if you're new to this channel, as usual, please subscribe. See, let me just tell you, there's nothing that is by mistake. You clicked on this video, that's a sign, girl. Just subscribe, okay, and join this family. Guys, don't be scared. Today is not lesson. I just want to take you guys along with me. I have a dentist appointment. Like I told you guys the last time, I have braces on my teeth. Not because I had teeth issues, but just because I had 2 milk teeth that joined me to adulthood. So the 2 milk teeth was taken out, and that place was quite open, and I didn't like it because my teeth was not like that. So it was a little bit open. So I had to wear braces just to bring everything together properly, if that makes sense. So I'm going to the dentist today. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog the place, but if by any chance I'm able to do that, I'll do it. But if not, I can't do it because some of these organizations or some of these don't allow cameras inside, reasons best known to them. So if I'm able to get the whole process thing, I will do. But if I'm not able to do it, I'll just see you guys again. Of course, that is it. I don't know. I didn't teach Igbo today because I don't want to like bombard you guys with so much lessons. I want you guys to see another part of me, to just feel free and relax with me, kind of. Not every time you see my video you're like, this lady has come to teach again, and I'm not ready to learn anything today. So today is not teaching, okay? So just relax and join me while we go. Guys, I'm in my appointment place. I'm waiting for my name to be called so I can go in. I'm still hoping that I'm able to video this process, but like I said, if I don't, when I come out, sorry guys, I'll get back to you guys, okay? Guys, you're all welcome to my channel again. Sorry, I've introduced myself before. Yeah, so here they're trying to remove the not the braces, but what they're using holding the teeth together somehow, because the last appointment I had, I had a little wound there because they were trying to close my my gap tooth, which I didn't want. So this lady here is trying to fix it. Yeah, it's quite painful. Yes, I muted the video because of so much noise in the background. I was really having pain, so I muted it. But the lady was quite friendly. Yes, and I didn't know I was going to be able to shoot this video, but when I told her I wanted to get this moment, she said no problem. So I happily did it because already I've promised you guys of taking you guys along with me on this. Yes, this braces journey has not been easy. What I didn't know was I was going to carry it for long before I did it. I don't know, maybe if I had known that, maybe I would have had a rethink before having these braces on, because I'm almost 1 year on it. November I'll be 1 year in it, and I think I have to carry it for like maybe like 2 to 3 years or so before I have it removed. And mind you, my teeth is not the problem tooth. Yes, I didn't have a problem tooth. Like I told you guys, my milk tooth was removed. So you can imagine if I had a problem tooth, I would have carried it even way longer than they told me, which would have been so stressful. Yeah, at the beginning I had it. It was stressful eating food and knowing that something is on your mouth or being in your mouth and stuff like that. It was quite, but now I've gotten used to it. I only have issues only when I go for my appointment for you know, checkup and stuff like that. If I have it real shaped and everything, I'll have pains again for, let's say, about 2 to 3 days, and after that I'll be fine again. So that is it, guys. I'm hoping this goes successfully. I'm hoping I'm going to remove these bruises anytime soon, because I have so much restrictions and so many food, so many meals. I have quite yeah, restriction. So guys, this is it here. She's trying to fix the last part of it. This place was very painful, very painful. And while on your braces, you need to also take care of your teeth, so you don't have tooth cavity and stuff like that. Yes, have bleeding on the tooth, tooth infections, and your teeth will be paining you most times if you have infection on your teeth, or that is the way you're going to know you have infection on your tooth, when it starts to pain you a lot, and when you're brushing, and more often there's blood coming out from in between your teeth and stuff like that. That part was so painful, guys. You should have seen it. That part was so painful. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still your teacher. I still teach you Igbo language, right? Yes, I still teach you Igbo language. This channel is igboticnono, where you learn how to speak Igbo culture, and so on and so forth. But I decided to make today's video, like I said, to tell you guys I have other activities going on in my life. Not only filming Igbo videos, and also if you don't see me filming the if you see my videos, so you don't feel like, so if you see my videos, you don't feel like this teacher has come again to come and teach Igbo language. Sometimes when you see my video, I just came to vlog. I'll just show you a day in my life. So please watch my videos. Don't click out. Just watch it, learn Igbo, and see other things that are happening in this channel. I promise you guys good content, and back to back. Okay guys, I'll just let you guys continue to see the process of whatever she is doing. I'll let you guys to continue to see that. Yes, she's trying to separate the joining so that my gap tooth does not close, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Just keep on watching. I'll see you guys in the next phase, after this phase. Okay, before you continue to watch, mind you, if you're on a braces journey, or if you're planning to be on a braces journey, I just have 2 things to tell you. One, just know it's not gonna be easy. It's not going to be easy. Just have it at the back of your mind, and know that there are so many steps and there are so many implications, but you just have to, you know, decide and say, I want to be on this journey, because in between it can be very frustrating. Yes, and you have to take care of your tooth extra well. Yes, so this is your Igbo teacher. Yes, you have to take care of tooth extra well. Yes, so that's what I want to tell you guys. So just be ready if you want to have your braces. Be ready for pains, be ready for I won't call it depression, no, just be ready for emotions, because sometimes you're unable to eat what others are eating. Yes, you want to eat but you can't eat. So it's really annoying. So we are done right here, and this is what the tooth looks like now. They've separated it. They wanted to close my gap tooth and I didn't want it, so that's why I'm back here. So they separated it from my gap tooth, which I'm okay with. Okay. Hi, pain dog. You see, your Igbo teacher has a life aside teaching Igbo, right? So guys, I'm done. You know, I came because I had a little bit of wound, but they have fixed it perfectly well now, so I'm going. Hope you enjoyed this short vlog, and if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. And my next video is going to be a lesson, not a vlog, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so it's a very quick one, so I'm going now. I'll talk to you guys when I'm home. Okay, bye.